You've seen one, seen them all, but that is a case. This is competition. It's
there's Chris Forsberg crossing the line, so he looks like he broke that.
Ooh,
What is that?
Oh, this is the Hilltime One Car package. Those are mission tickets, and then we got wristbands, right?
Parking,
Only 5 of us.
parking, that's very important. Please find and close all the tickets, badges, and passes you will need for the weekend.
It's a 200. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. The most prestigious cars all over the place, and we're like, 240!
Casco? Nope, 240.
240! Dude, so yeah, there's a start line down there. That's
Damn,
turn
that's
1.
wild.
So we mob this way, and then you do a big long e-brake like this, and then you do a big long e-brake through this, and then you transfer back, and then this is Malcolm Corner. This is where I hit the hay bales, because I was booking. I was day 3, and I was getting really frisky, and I hung wide, and I clipped the hay bale. And this is where it's super sketch, because see, like your eyes shift. So you come in here, it's pitch black, and then here's the wall. Big faint e-brake in, check the car up, rotate back, come through here.
Oh, that wall.
Clip the wall.
Yeah.
And then you carry out and you put the wing on the hay bales out here. Up the hill. It's nuts. And then and then you carry this corner. So same thing, like light angle on the power. And then there's the finish. Crank left here, and everybody's staged up here on the right.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then we connect here, go right, and we drift up there, whip a 360 and pull in line, and everyone's just freaking jazzed.
That's cool.
Yeah. We're gonna be getting our steps in this weekend. Ever get suited up in a parking lot? Yeah. It's just the most prestigious Optima event in the world. Yeah.
You're not busy enough? Or?
Yeah, exactly.
What's up, dude? You good? Good. Oh, yeah. Well, excited. It's a great race.
On our way in. We have to finish doing a little bit of credential work. I got to drop off my suit and just get my tech and everything kind of buttoned up. We don't go on until 3:45 today, and currently like 11:30. So the day is just beginning. Goodwood 2025, our first run up the hill in batch 3, and this is like the wild batch. This is Lord March's personal picks. We have all the drift cars, we got the most insane rally cars of all time, so it's just the wild bunch of misfits that don't really belong anywhere but together. So let's go put on a show.
Altimaniac, I asked you yesterday, this is not a rental car. This thing, look at the arches on this thing. Fully cat prepared and built. Left-hand drive, XComp Tires. He's got Mobil 1 synthetics run through the veins, Optima Battery under the hood. Now this is a VR engine. The VR is basically the GTR engine. It can go as much as 2,000 horsepower, but he detuned it to 1,200 horsepower, and it's a four-door. So you can see the arches. I encourage you, Bruce, I know you have a little bit of time, so head on down to the arena, come check out the vehicles. The doors open, 4 bucket seats, so you can throw them in there. And I've ridden the back seat. It's a different experience being a pendulum on the back. And I'm a big pendulum. I'm a big weight, 200 plus pounds, and then some, almost 300. So you throw that weight out back. The rotiforms go round. But this is a purpose-built, again, another party car. So no favors here, but the favor is that you get to see this thing here at Goodwood. And Goodwood said, we want that car. That's the Altimaniac. What do you think?
What a name.
Yeah! We made it! One down! Breaking up all the way till the donuts.
Was it?
Yeah.
It sounded weird when you left.
Because of those anti-lags. I couldn't, it was like pissed.
Oh, it cleared up though?
By the time I got to donuts, yeah.
Yeah.
We just realized that we've been running 50% throttle in first and second gear for the past like 3 years.
3 years?
Since the Pastrana drag race.
That was 3 years ago?
22, I want to say.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
It's been a minute since you really drove this thing seriously then.
Oh, come on. Just got to run the high gear, baby.
I'm just saying.
That's a Nissan Altima. This car is called the Altimaniac. First ever purpose-built CAD design, tube chassis, aluminum frame, threw an Altima wide body on it, has a VR GTR engine under the hood, detuned to about 1,200 horsepower, has 4 bucket seats, more miles, more miles. They talked about it. The duckbill kind of swan neck wing out back, purely aesthetic, destined for greatness. The XComp tires on the corners. And again, this is Chris the Force Forsberg, 3-time Formula Drift champion. He competes in an all-new Nissan Z with the VR engine. But this is, as I said earlier, break up the pinata because this is a party car. This is a vehicle that he wants to have a lot of fun with, showcase what he can build, what he can do. Chris the Force Forsberg in that Altimaniac.
Gotta love that. Yeah, we made it burnout. Yeah, buddy. Roll back in the same spot. He went for the full 360. Yeah. Around them. Yeah.
No donuts? No donuts?
Yeah, not allowed.
You guys are right with it there?
Yeah. I was gutted, mate. Sugar. So they say no donuts down the end, and they literally put all the marshals in the middle, and everyone just still does donuts sell. It's pretty sick. 8:30, we're first batch up the hill, which is pretty rad. So kind of, start the party today. I just heard the first bikes going, so it's officially day 3, Saturday, the big day. Car's good, we're feeling good. We got all wiped down, fueled up, ready. So let's give her another send.
CAD built, prepared. I like to call it an RC car with a 2,000 horsepower VR motor because they built this. This is literally a video game personified in the carbon fiber, in the Kevlar. Got that swan neck wing. All right, I'm gonna level up here. Look, he knocked off the wing canard. This is what we want to do, guys. But the Altimaniac, Chris the Force Forsberg, he's been competing in the Formula Drift Championship since 2004. Formula Drift, here we go. So coming into that wall, doesn't slide it as sideways. Oh, Bruce says, I don't know if that's all right.
10 a penny, seen one, seen them all. But that is the case. This is competition. It's raising the bar.
Yes. There's Chris Forsberg crossing the line. So he looks like he broke that. That's a really good angle.
Toe out.
So these guys are leaving it all out on the track.
We biffed the knuckle. It's just a weird fluky hit on the hay bale, and it like cracked the knuckle by the tie rod pickup and bent the lower control arm. I think the lower is fixable. I was talking with Bagsy's guy, and one of them used to work at the circuit over here. They have like a motor circuit here as well. And they have a shop there that I think has a welder and a shop press. So we're gonna try to flatten the arm and then maybe weld something for some reinforcement. We have a spare knuckle. Yeah, we're basically gonna just bend this guy back straight. She got a little catty-wonkus. And we're gonna just cut this shank off, pull that out. We have a new shank, we got a new bearing. Yeah, here we go. Cats. All good. Back together. Cam! Cam! You made it! Dude, touch this. What's up, dude? Hi. Cam has been in a 36-hour delay. He was supposed to be here like a day and a half ago, but we're here now. So
upper control arm we noticed was broken earlier today after the little hay bale touch.
Great hay bale touch of 2025.
Yes, so we found Dan.
Yeah, shout out Dan.
Dan, thank you so much. He went to his rig on the other side over there, brought it back, told us to meet him up here, and now we're here. So we are gonna try to do a little welding on this control arm and see what we can do to get this thing fixed up.
A little attitude on it. One of the things that we learned this week is that this is the largest gathering of F1 drivers, cars, and teams in anywhere else in the world. And to see them from absolute day one, the open cockpit, open wheel vehicles from all the different generations, and coming out here and that they still run and they still go up the hill and put on a show, it's really, really cool. So right now a lot of them are out because they're on the track. So these are not just display cars, these guys are, you know, putting on a nice display of the heritage of the past 75 years of F1. Putting your own GoPros on right before you have to go out. Here we go.
This is the Altimaniac, 4 seats, more smiles for more miles. He bashed in that front right corner, but put a little bit of bar across that arm. He welded it up. I want to thank you to one of the rally guys. He brought his welders, sat up there for Cam and Jackson. They welded it, no mask. That's how raw dog these guys are. So the Altimaniac sans that front right fender. Again, this is all 3D printed body kit. This is one of one. Chris the Force Forsberg, XComp Performance Tires, Optima Batteries, providing the spark. Dan the Tire Man watching on. Larry Chen Peeker in the corner. I know my boy Larry Chen and Lewis are out there shooting some photos. The content that Larry Chen and Lewis are creating is absolutely amazing. Saw him last night. He's like, Instagram needs more 100 photos. Look at this thing navigate again.
Yeah, a lot of travel for a couple days here, but I would definitely do it again.
So we had an interesting day yesterday. Like, you know, car shows up, it's all ready, good to go. On my first run, I go to leave the line and it's just chunky trying to go into first gear. And, you know, it eventually engages and we take off and do the run. And at some point, the gearbox, it totally chunked off first and second. So the dog gear that engages, like the faceplate, one of the things, we haven't taken it apart to see. Thankfully, we're only running third and fourth on the hill. So basically, we're just like launching out of third. So, I mean, we're already doing like a big burnout clutch jump off the line. So instead of kind of like throwing it through like 1, 2, 3 and then kicking it, it's just like on sitting at the start, pull for third, it's a gauge, and then rev up, jump out, and just blow those XComps all the way down the straight. So it's cool. It's working perfectly fine. This run was like, I'd say like a 8, maybe even a 9 out of 10 for me. It felt awesome. So yeah, we knocked off one of the wing blades at some point. So we'll have to see where that happened. Hopefully somewhere cool. But yeah, she was gone by the time we got to the top.